Alright, so you're dreaming of Punta Cana. You're picturing yourself escaping to this tropical paradise, aren't you? White sand, turquoise water, maybe a coconut in hand? Sipping on something sweet, feeling the warm breeze? Let me help you make that first trip absolutely unforgettable. I want to share some essential tips that will elevate your experience from a typical tourist visit to an authentic immersion into the heart of Punta Cana. I've got 5 insider tips, straight from the locals, the kind of advice you won't find in any guidebook. So you can do Punta Cana like a pro. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a truly remarkable vacation. Tip number 1, don't just stick to the resort. It's tempting, I know. Sure, those pools are nice, but the real adventure is outside. The true essence of the Dominican Republic lies beyond the manicured lawns and all-inclusive packages. Book a local tour, maybe a buggy in the jungle. Feel the adrenaline rush as you explore hidden trails and encounter breathtaking landscapes. Or a fishing trip with a neighborhood captain. Experience the thrill of the catch and learn about the local marine life. You'll meet real Dominicans, hear their stories, connect with the people, understand their culture, and create lasting memories, and taste food that's way better than any buffet. Savor the authentic flavors of the Dominican Republic prepared with love and local ingredients. Tip number 2, only drink bottled water. This is non-negotiable. Seriously, don't risk getting sick on your dream vacation. Trust me, a few dollars spent on bottled water is a much better investment than days spent feeling unwell. Skip the tap water, and always check that your bottled water seal is unbroken. It's a simple precaution that can make all the difference. It's a small thing, but it'll save you a world of trouble. Stay hydrated and healthy so you can fully enjoy every moment of your trip. Tip number 3, sunscreen is your best friend. And I mean your very best friend. The Caribbean sun does not play around. It's powerful, intense, and can cause serious damage if you're not careful. Reapply often, every 2 hours at least, and even more frequently if you're swimming or sweating. Even if you're sitting in the shade or it's cloudy, UV rays can penetrate clouds and reflect off surfaces like sand and water, so protection is essential at all times. Nobody wants to spend their trip lobster red and hiding in their room, trust me. A sunburn can ruin your vacation, causing pain, discomfort, and even long-term skin damage. Tip number 4, cash is king, but use pesos. Let's talk money. Most places in Punta Cana accept dollars. But if you pay in Dominican pesos, you'll get better prices. You'll often find that the exchange rate offered when paying in dollars isn't the most favorable. Hit up an ATM or a currency exchange at the airport. Just skip the crazy rates at your resort. They're notorious for offering significantly lower exchange rates than you'll find elsewhere. Tip number 5, be smart with your stuff. A little vigilance goes a long way. Punta Cana is pretty safe. But don't flash expensive gadgets or leave bags lying around. Just like in any tourist destination, petty theft can occur, so it's best to take precautions. Use your hotel safe for passports and big cash. It's the most secure place to store your valuables when you're not using them. It's just common sense, and it'll keep your mind on the beach. Relax, enjoy yourself, and soak up the sun, knowing that you've taken the necessary steps to protect your belongings. Bonus tip, learn a little Spanish. It's not just polite, it's also incredibly rewarding. Even a gracias or por favor goes a long way with locals, and you might just get an extra smile or a bigger scoop of ice cream. A little effort to communicate in the local language shows respect and can open doors to unexpected experiences. Alright, those are my top insider tips for Punta Cana. I hope these tips will help you have an amazing and authentic experience in this beautiful destination. Ready to trade in your desk for a hammock? I know I am. Hit like if you're packing your bags, and subscribe for more traveler secrets. Don't miss out on future videos filled with valuable tips and inspiration for your next adventure. Safe travels, and remember to embrace the local culture, be mindful of your surroundings, and most importantly, have fun.